Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reset Windows and no need to install operating system again. Start, go to settings, update and security, then recovery. Reset this PC, get started. You have select two options, keep my files, remove everything. If you select keep my files, removing all the apps and settings but keep your personal files, and if you select remove everything, all the apps and your personal files and the settings, all the things are deleting. I select keep my files. Resetting a Windows like resetting a phone, like that. All the application are installing and the PC settings are, all the settings are resetting. Then we have only our personal files and operating system only. So why we want to reset our PC? If our PC is going to be slow, or some application going to be wrong, or some installation going to be wrong, and they have some errors on our operating system, in that time we can reset our PC. The other thing is, when we are resetting our PC, our time is saving. It's mean no need to format our computer, and no need to install our operating system again, no need to install drivers, no need to find the drivers. Windows gets some time to resetting your PC. You have to wait for it patiently. When the resetting process, your PC time to time restarting. It's a normal thing. PC reset 90% done, and type your password, then press enter. This password is your account password. If you put a password to your accounts, then you have to type that password. PC reset almost done. Yeah, this is a new browser, Microsoft Edge. We can see the remove all the apps report. That shortcut it in the desktop. Its name remove apps. If you open that, you can see remove all the apps list. Okay friends, if you like my videos, subscribe me and give a thumbs up. Thank you.